Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I will be discussing about a drug molecule, risperidone. Here is the chemical structure for the molecule. This molecule was discovered by Janssen Pharmaceutical Company, which is a subsidiary part of Johnson & Johnson. This drug was approved for the treatment of schizophrenia in the year of 1993 in USA. Schizophrenia is a disease related to mental health issue or disorganized thinking. The same drug was approved for the treatment for bipolar disorder in the year of 2003 in USA, and it was approved for autism treatment in 2006 in USA. Now I'll discuss about the synthetic route for this molecule. First I will discuss the original patent procedure that was patented by Janssen. So here reaction starts with this acyl protected piperidine carboxylic acid derivative. This one first treated with thionyl chloride to convert it into the carbonyl chloride, and this was reacted with 1,3-difluorobenzene in presence of aluminum chloride as the Lewis acid to get this ketone. So it is an acylation reaction, Lewis acid mediated acylation reaction. And after getting this ketone, this acyl protecting group was removed by treating with 6-normal HCl, and that free amine molecule was isolated in the form of HCl salt. Now this ketone molecule was treated with hydroxylamine hydrochloride in presence of triethylamine base to get this oxime. This oxime can exist in two different stereoisomer form cis trans. So they obtained 1:1 mixture of those two isomers. So it is a condensation reaction. After getting this condensation product, they treated this intermediate with potassium hydroxide to undergo intramolecular aromatic nucleophilic substitution reaction to get this cyclized intermediate. So you can see one of the fluoride displaced here to facilitate new carbon-oxygen bond formation. Now another fragment they synthesized by a reaction between this 2-aminopyridine and this cyclic beta-keto ester. Under heating condition, it led to the formation of this fused quinolinone moiety. So here you can see the molecule contain a primary alcohol group. Next, they have performed a hydrogenation reaction in presence of palladium and charcoal. The double bond inside this ring got reduced, followed by treatment with thionyl chloride converts the primary alcohol into the primary halide. Now this primary halide and this secondary amine they reacted in presence of potassium carbonate base and catalytic quantity of potassium iodide to get the final molecule. So this is basically one substitution reaction is the final step. Now I will discuss another modified process. So here they started with this 2-amino pyridine, but instead of using cyclic beta ketoester, they have used acyclic beta ketoester, and they have done this cyclization reaction in presence of PTS, a catalytic quantity. So it's they got this quinolinone intermediate and subjected this intermediate for hydrogenation reaction in presence of palladium charcoal, and double bond inside this ring got reduced to get this intermediate. And this intermediate they treated with bromine to get brominated intermediate, and that underwent palladium catalyzed steel coupling reaction with this organotin compound. So they introduced this vinyl group. Now with this olefin they have done borylation reaction using this 9-BVN, followed by hydrolysis to get the primary alcohol, which was oxidized by using PCC as the oxidizing reagent to get this aldehyde intermediate. Now in first part of my presentation I have shown how this secondary amine compound can be synthesized. Now this amine and this aldehyde, they have done one condensation reaction which would give the enamine intermediate, and that enamine intermediate was reduced by using sodium cyanoborohydride to get this final molecule. That's all for today. If you like the content, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.